Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you add multiple Instagram accounts on one single device and in one single Instagram application, then you came to the right place. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So let's jump right into it already. First, we need to get something out of the way though. Open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, and from here simply find Instagram by searching for it. Once you find it, make sure you have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly and for everything to go right in this process. After that, quit the store, open Instagram, make sure you are logged into your account, and let's start by opening your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner right here. And here we are on your profile. From here, you need to tap on your username at the top of the screen right here to get this menu from the bottom. You should find all of your accounts here. If you only have one and you want to add more, tap on add account in the bottom. And if you don't have that option here, you can go to settings by tapping the three lines in the top right corner and then tap on settings and privacy at the top right here. From settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you find the same option that says add account. Just tap on it. If you have an account already, tap on login to existing account. If you don't, tap on create new account. I'm gonna tap on the first one because I already have an account. From here you can do the same thing. If you don't have an account, tap on sign up in the bottom right corner. You'll be taken to the screen where you can start creating a new account. If you already have one, tap on switch accounts in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And here it doesn't let me record the screen for security reasons. It is very simple. From here, just log in to that account by entering your username and password, and you should be adding that account to this device. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.